Hey YouTube, this is me. I am currently driving back from one of the small cities I live by. Small towns, let's put it that way. It's not really a city. I'm still looking at getting the Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack wide body. So I can make more content, keep y'all watching more of my videos. I know I'm not pushing good content right now, but that is because I don't really have a vehicle that is really content worthy. The Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack, the normal body style from 2020 that I drove last weekend, it was phenomenal. Seats were comfortable. When you stepped on it, the engine came alive, which I miss having the sound of a V8. And that's a big block V8. That's not like what I had in my 1988 F-150, which was a small block 302, which nowadays they call it a 5.0. And it's not really all of that. I'm looking at getting the Charger because not only is it fun to drive, but it's practical. It's not like a coupe where you can't really put anyone in the back seat comfortably. If I'm going to get another car, it's going to be another sedan. Since everyone else, every other automaker in America is not doing the sedans anymore, besides Dodge, I might as well go and get the Charger. It is $15,000 cheaper than Mercedes I was looking at before, and it has 8 cylinders instead of a 4-cylinder car that was producing right around 250 horsepower. I'm getting almost double the horsepower and double the torque, just about, in the Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack wide body. Yes, it's an expensive vehicle still, yes, but you get what you pay for, which is a V8, not a 4-cylinder. The E-Class the E63S, custom to what I want, which has the driver convenience packages, the technology packages, stuff like that. That's going to be right around $130,000. The vehicle itself, since it's a twin-turbo V8 coming from AMG, it is starting at right around $95,000. Give or take a few thousand. Anyways, yeah, I would rather have a V8 that it doesn't cost $130,000. Is it right around $60,000? Yeah. But it's more of a phenomenal car for a cheaper price. I was asking around at my work, seeing what people prefer, and a lot of my coworkers actually say Challengers. I'm not a coupe kind of person. I've had a coupe, which was a 96 Mercury Cougar with a V8. It was a nice car to drive. I wish I could find another one. Because I would be driving that instead of this all the time. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for future content, or well, upcoming videos, future content, same thing. I'm going to try to do my best giving you all more videos. There's not much I can do where I'm at, because I've done just about everything I can do, which is a lot around where I live. So yeah, I'm still thinking about also moving, but that would be after I get my this channel going strong. Don't get me wrong, the channel's going strong. I just need a little bit stronger, get more attention focused on my channel. Once I get my channel taken off, even more so than what it is now, I'm gonna go move to either Tennessee or North Carolina. Still haven't made up my mind on those yet. Then after I get settled in, I'm gonna be going to LA. So I can get some content over there. I've never been over there. I think it'll be fun. I know there's a lot of things to do, things to see, stuff like that, especially in the car community. But yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. I wouldn't drive the Charger over there, put that many miles on it. I would go and get a car carrier to take it over there. I'll go and get another vehicle, something probably like an SUV, and go over there. I was looking at possibly, once the channel gets taken off, not only having the Charger RT Scat Pack, but also getting the Durango SRT, I think it is, which has the 392 engine. It'd be like right around 70,000. But it'd be something I could lay the back seats down in and go and get some rest instead of getting a hotel room. So that's what I'm looking at. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. If you can't tell by the side view, it's mainly cornfields where I'm at. That's basically what Iowa is all about. It's cornfields. Kind of sucks. But it is what it is. I moved here, so. Let me know in the comments what kind of SUV I should look into, what brand. Because if I'm going to get a V8 car, I might as well get a V8 SUV, which Ford does not make. They have a EcoBoost twin turbo V6. Which isn't all that in my mind. I would not go and mod the car, the Charger. I don't see the point of it, because you're not going to get your money's worth out of it if you put more money into it. Once I get the Charger RT Scat Pack wide body, I will go and do a review on it. The specs, the features, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comments what SUVs I should look into, what brands. Because any V8 coming from Mercedes-Benz will start out at right around 85,000. The SRT Durango starts out at 55,000, 57,000, somewhere around there. Save $18,000 roughly before I build it up to what my standards are. So I want all the safety features, all the technology features to make my drive that much safer. Bless me. Whew. I know since I've started my channel, I've been going, ooh, Mercedes, ooh, Dodge. But that's just me. If I see something that I like that doesn't have the features that the other one has, I'll look into I will look more into that specific brand than the other. Plus, the Charger would be a little bit cheaper on insurance than the Mercedes-Benz, I would think. I'll have to look into that one. So, until next time, stay safe and hit the bell icon to see my next upcoming videos. And have a nice day.